Welcome to this course, where you'll learn about the essential skills and tools you need as a product owner. Product owners serve as conduits between stakeholders and development teams. Businesses rely on product owners to understand the product vision and communicate that vision to the development team in an agile environment. This course explores the fundamental ideas that serve as the foundation of the product owner role, such as product roadmaps, release planning, and how to develop key performance indicators. In this course, you will explore the product owner role as part of product governance. As a product owner, you ensure the product delivers value while minimizing risks and maintaining accountability. You will gain the necessary knowledge to align product development with business goals. The course also delves into technical practices, including acceptance testing, wireframing, and technical writing, which enable product owners to communicate effectively with stakeholders and development teams. With regards to Agile, you will learn about the minimal viable product, or MVP, and how to develop the MVP to support the product vision by making use of the Scrum framework. You will learn how to track your Scrum team's velocity to effectively balance strategic priorities and operational realities. You learn about technical debt, why it matters, and how a product owner can efficiently handle this debt by integrating its reduction strategically into sprints. Through the instructional videos and applied hands-on labs, you will develop the skills needed to create a product vision, prioritize work effectively, and maximize product value, which in turn directly impacts the product success. Each module has one or more hands-on projects. These labs reinforce ideas learned in the instructional videos by applying what you've learned in realistic project scenarios. Practice assessments in each lesson let you gauge your understanding of the course materials along the way. Graded quizzes at the end of each module help you assess your knowledge of what you learned in that module. In the final module, you will integrate all of the skills learned throughout the course in a culminating project grounded in a real-world scenario. To get the most out of this course, you should view each video, read through all articles, complete all hands-on labs, and check what you learned with each quiz. And most importantly, the final project solidifies all of what you learned so you can confidently talk with prospective employers about your knowledge of the product owner role. If you need help, please reach out to your peers or the course staff on the course discussion forums.